We are proclaiming the gospel of peace from the assembly of the New York state to take the gospel of peace, love, and harmony to the whole world. We pray for the peace in the whole world from this assembly. God bless every senator, every congressman, everyone in the government, every assemblyman. You know, you can say a few more things you can add. Yeah.
Yes, we're standing here today in the New York City Assembly chamber, and we're appreciative of the work in which our doctor has traveled from India to proclaim peace.
Yes.
And he's done a peaceful work in India and also in many countries around the world. And so we're thankful for what he's doing and for what he has started. And you can say that you're joined with your
Yeah, my daughter.
spiritual daughter.
Yeah, Dr. Carol Dwarka.
And we've also Mr. John Mootooveren
Yes.
from the City Council of Schenectady. And this is the wonderful chamber which I worked in,
Okay.
and I've been here for quite a few decades.
Yes.
And I've enjoyed every moment of it. And I'm so pleased that you can come here to transmit this message and to tell the world what you're doing. God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.